Let's take a look. And if you watch my channel, of course you know it's going to be a radio. Not just any radio, though. Look at this cool thing. The radio is the cabinet. 5. So let's get these tubes out of here. And I'm really digging this speaker. I hope this speaker's good because it looks a little above average for a little radio like this. All right. Now we got to preload it again. Oh, that feels so much better. Okay, raise your hand if you hate dial cord work. All right, let's go. Shot. We'll let this cook for a hot second. And the reason I tap it is, just in case there's only some time short, if I'm tapping it and it makes something happen, then we know we got loose electrodes in there. But not the case. What we got is a full set of good All-American 5 tubes for our All-American 5-tube radio from 1952. We want to get that nice and easy. That's not a nice, solid mechanical. What'd you do? Stay. I thought we did more than that. We're missing the... I guess that's it. All right, I'm going to turn it on. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Oh. So our light came on. Our tubes are tubing.
Coach Didier Deschamps' final match.
All right. We're all winners. We win today.
Want no silver threads, want some action instead. Want no silver threads among the gold. Be my life's companion and you'll never grow old.
Yeah.
I love you so much.
Right? So you don't want to make fun of a kid, but he
Love it.
He hits his ball. Oh, no, just describe it. It's not a bat flip.
I want to play with this all day.
If you're umpiring, you can be like,
Ta-da.
That's,